Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Harmony 1 price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Harmony 1 chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we have now peaked in the formation of this first wave to the upper side. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which is the area highlighted here in red. And having seen the low for this second wave, whatever we expected next here on the short-term scenarios was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4 and then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. At the time of this recording also, we are also holding above the wave 1 high of this first wave to the upper side, which is the first indication that we are back into the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3, and that is the first confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the start of this impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of this wave 2 within this yellow target area, we started an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, we also expected to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is what is playing out here on the Harmony 1 chart, where you can see I have this Elliot wave structure in white, where we have now peaked in the formation of that first wave. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, we also expected to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, where you can now see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, where we have now peaked in the formation of that first wave. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and now I believe that whatever we are seeing is the start of this impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a target area in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02385 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 3 to the upside to do before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And as long as we are holding above the wave 1 high, that fully supports higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. I'm also watching a key area of resistance at around the $0.02166 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, then I'll be watching for a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking even higher prices. We also need to have in mind that we can expect short-term bearish movements, and that is because after seeing a bit of a run up to the upper side, we have to correct that before we can continue with our run up to the upper side. So in case we continue seeing lower prices, we need to have in mind that the long-term trend is up, and as long as we are holding above key areas of supports, higher prices are still coming our way, and that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. So continue watching the wave 1 high and also our key area of resistance at around the $0.02166 mark, because a break above that and a successful retest will trigger even higher prices to fully maximize our target areas. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 60 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.